What is ISO 42001? ISO 42001 is like a rule book or playbook that helps organizations use artificial intelligence, AI, responsibly and safely. Think of it as a comprehensive guide that teaches companies how to manage their AI systems properly, just like how ISO 27001 helps with information security. Why do we need it? Imagine if every company using AI made up their own rules about how to develop and use it. Some might prioritize speed over safety, others might not consider fairness, and some might not think about privacy at all. This could lead to AI systems that discriminate against certain groups of people, algorithms that make important decisions without anyone understanding why, privacy breaches where personal data is misused, AI that causes harm because it wasn't properly tested. ISO 42001 provides a common framework so all organizations can approach AI in a responsible, consistent way. Key areas. ISO 42001 addresses 1. Governance and leadership. Who's in charge of AI decisions in your organization? How do you make sure AI projects align with your company values? What policies do you need in place? 2. Risk management. What could go wrong with your AI system? How do you identify and prepare for potential problems? What safeguards should you put in place? 3. Transparency and explainability. Can you explain how your AI makes decisions? Are people aware when they're interacting with AI? Can you justify why the AI made a particular choice? 4. Fairness and non-discrimination. Does your AI treat all groups of people fairly? Are you checking for bias in your AI systems? How do you ensure equal treatment? 5. Privacy and data protection. How do you protect personal information used by AI? Do you have consent to use people's data? Are you following data protection laws? 6. Human oversight. Are humans still in control of important decisions? Can people override AI decisions when needed? How do you maintain human judgment in the process? 7. Continuous monitoring. How do you check if your AI is working as intended? What happens when you discover problems? How do you improve your systems over time? How does it work in practice? ISO 42001 follows a continuous improvement cycle. Plan. Define your AI objectives and identify risks. Do. Implement your AI systems with proper controls. Check, monitor and measure how well your AI is performing. Act. Make improvements based on what you learn. Who should use ISO 42001? Any organization developing AI, such as software companies, tech startups, and research institutions. Organizations using AI, such as banks, hospitals, retailers, and manufacturers. Organizations providing AI services, such as consultants, cloud providers, and AI vendors. Benefits of following ISO 42001. Trust. Customers and stakeholders trust your AI systems more. Compliance. Helps meet legal and regulatory requirements. Risk reduction. Fewer AI-related problems and failures. Better decisions. More reliable and fair AI outcomes. Competitive advantage. Shows you're a responsible AI user. Continuous improvement. Your AI systems get better over time. The bottom line ISO 42001 is essentially about being a good citizen in the AI world. It helps organizations use AI's powerful capabilities while ensuring they don't cause harm to people or society. Just as we have traffic rules to make driving safer for everyone, ISO 42001 provides guidelines to make AI development and use safer and more beneficial for everyone. Think of it as insurance for your AI projects. It might require some extra effort up front, but it protects you from much bigger problems down the road. ISO 42001 is actually a standard, not inherently a certification. ISO 42001 itself is just a document, a set of guidelines and requirements for AI management systems. Think of it like a recipe or instruction manual. The standard exists whether or not anyone gets certified to it. Certification is a separate, optional process where a third-party organization verifies that your company actually follows the standard correctly. Anyone can claim they're doing things right, but certification provides independent verification. When AI systems make decisions about loans, medical diagnoses, hiring, or criminal justice, society needs more than just promises of responsible AI. Certification creates a mechanism where organizations can prove their AI governance is real, not just marketing. Certified organizations can stand out against their competition as a more responsible brand, and customers can therefore make better informed choices. It's essentially a way to make responsible AI more than just a buzzword. It makes it something you can actually verify and measure. Here's how the ISO 42001 certification process works for organizations. The certification journey. Step 1. Preparation phase. Learn and plan. Study the ISO 42001 standard requirements. Conduct a gap analysis to see where your current AI practices stand. Assign a project team and designate an AI management system owner. Create a project timeline and budget. Step 2. Design your AI management system. Build your framework. Develop AI governance policies and procedures. Create risk assessment processes for AI systems. Establish roles and responsibilities for AI oversight. Design monitoring and measurement processes. Implement controls for fairness, transparency, and privacy. Create documentation, such as policies, procedures, and records. Step 3. Implementation. Put it into practice. Deploy your AI management system across the organization. Train staff on new procedures and responsibilities. Begin monitoring and measuring AI system performance. Start collecting evidence that your system is working. Address any issues or gaps that arise. Step 4. Internal audit. Self-assessment. Conduct your own internal audit to check compliance. Identify and fix any remaining gaps. Ensure all documentation is complete and up to date. Verify that your system is actually being followed. Step 5. Choose a certification body. Select your auditor. Research accredited certification bodies. Compare costs, timelines, and expertise. Ensure they're accredited to certify ISO 42001. Submit your application and supporting documents. Step 6. Stage 1 Audit. Documentation review. Paper check. Auditors review your documentation remotely or on-site. They check if your system design meets ISO 42001 requirements. Identify any major gaps before the main audit. You get time to fix issues before Stage 2. Step 7. Stage 2 Audit. Implementation assessment. The main event. Auditors visit your organization or conduct virtual audit. They interview staff, observe processes, and review records. Check that your AI management system is actually working in practice. Verify compliance with all ISO 42001 requirements. Step 8. Audit results. Decision time. 3 possible outcomes. Certified. Congratulations. You get your certificate. Minor non-conformities. Fix small issues within 30 to 90 days. Major non-conformities. Significant gaps need fixing before certification. Step 9. Ongoing maintenance. Keep it current. Annual surveillance audits, which are usually lighter reviews. Full recertification audit every 3 years. Continuous improvement of your AI management system. Stay updated with changes to the standard. What organizations need to demonstrate? Core requirements. Leadership commitment to responsible AI use. Risk management processes for AI systems. Competent personnel managing AI projects. Documented procedures for AI development and deployment. Monitoring and measurement of AI performance. Incident management for AI-related issues. Continuous improvement processes. Evidence auditors look for meeting minutes showing AI governance discussions, risk assessment reports for AI projects, training records for staff working with AI, monitoring data showing AI system performance, records of corrective actions taken, evidence of stakeholder engagement, documentation of AI system changes and updates. Tips for success. Start early. This isn't a quick process. Get leadership buy-in. You'll need resources and support. Don't try to boil the ocean. Focus on your most critical AI systems first. Document everything. If it's not documented, it didn't happen. Practice makes perfect. Run internal audits before the real one. Stay pragmatic. The goal is better AI management, not just certification. The certification process is thorough but achievable. Think of it like getting a driver's license. You need to learn the rules, practice driving, and then demonstrate you can do it safely. ISO 42001 certification shows the world that your organization can drive AI systems responsibly and safely. Plan it, do it, check it, and act it.